Welcome to another video with Chris Silverman. So today I'm going to be tearing up some deck boards and replacing them with Trex. So most of the time I work by myself, and you learn to do some things by yourself. So Trex is really bendy, and I can't imagine carrying one bendy Trex board at a time all the way into the backyard. So wisdom tells me, use a wheelbarrow. And of course, a 2x12 by 12 in order to make these things not bendy. And sure enough, I got it set up. I'm gonna go ahead and set up a table saw and go ahead and start ripping up some boards. Got my long boards, short boards, saw, doing halfway up the stairs now. All this has been replaced. Got this left, the top of the platform, and I'm going around all these rails here, all the way around there, and up there, from the there, here, all the way around. So with my stair tread, I gotta measure 10.5 inches. What I want is for this to be a little bit, I want this to be hanging over a little bit. So in order to achieve that, I put a board in the very back, and I put my two boards and butt them against there, and then I screw them in. After screwing it in, I'm gonna go ahead and lift this backboard back up. And now I have a little shim that I'm gonna stick in between here. Standard is usually a 1/4 inch, which, if you didn't know, a carpenter's pencil is a 1/4 inch. But I keep dropping my pencil, so it needs to stay in my pocket. I'm gonna use a shim. Now that you got your next board in, we're gonna go ahead and grab our other board here, put it in, and we're gonna take our shim, slide it under. Screw that in. And now that we got that piece in, we're gonna go ahead and do the next tread and repeat the process. And it ends up leaving a gap, a nice gap on the bottom and on the top, with a little bit of overhang. All right, job done. Now I got all this stuff to dump and get rid of. It's dinner time.